Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Fort Wayne, where we talk all things outdoor living. I'm your host from Tough Deck Builders Fort Wayne, and today we're talking about permits for decks and patios, a topic that doesn't feel exciting, but it's one of the most important steps in a safe and legal project. So, what is a permit when it comes to deck building? A permit is official approval from your local building department that says your project plans meet code. That includes the size and depth of footings, the way the deck is attached to your home, the spacing of posts and beams, and the design of railings and stairs. These rules are there for a reason. They help make sure a deck can support weight, handle weather, and stay safe over time. When do you usually need a permit? In many areas, any new deck above a certain height, most attached decks, and many patios or raised platforms require approval. That's especially true if you're building a deck that connects directly to your home, adding a roof structure, or planning stairs and railings. Even when you're replacing an old deck, you may still need a permit because you're building a new structure, not just touching up what's already there. Permits also touch the materials you use. For example, if you're choosing composite decking such as TimberTech, inspectors may check that you're installing it according to manufacturer instructions, using the right fasteners, and following span and spacing requirements. This isn't just paperwork. When deck materials are installed correctly, they perform better and last longer, which protects your investment and your safety. Working with a professional builder makes this process smoother. At Tough Deck Builders Fort Wayne, we handle the permit steps, plan drawings, and inspections as part of the project. We know what local officials are looking for and how to design decks, patios, and other outdoor structures that meet code and still look great in your backyard. You can reach our team at 260-254-7979 or visit toughdeckbuildersfortwayne.com if you're starting to plan a project and want help sorting out what permits you'll need. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Fort Wayne. Before you start digging or ordering materials, take a moment to think about permits and safety. Getting it right from the start keeps your project moving and gives you peace of mind once your deck or patio is built. We'll see you in the next episode.